Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll share how to turn on Instagram's quiet mode. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes along the way. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Play Store and search for Instagram. And then make sure Instagram is up to date with the latest version. Once that is done, click on open. And then you should be brought to the home page of Instagram once you've opened it, and then click into your profile. And then from here, click on the hamburger looking icon, top right hand corner of your screen. And then click on to settings and privacy. And then where it says how you use Instagram, click on notifications. And there you go, there's quiet mode. So we need to click into quiet mode. And then I've got it turned off, so to turn it on, toggle that to on, and then you can set a start time and end time. So I'm going to set a start time of 10 p.m. and set an end time of 6 a.m. sorry. So now that's how you turn on Instagram's quiet mode. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful. We really appreciate it and helps us out a lot.